So I got the Vaunn Medical Easy Grip Cane. I was looking through all the Q&As. I'm gonna answer the top 3 questions. The first one was, what is the maximum height and the lowest height on this cane? I saw also for the second question was, what's the maximum weight that can be on this cane? And then the third question, which I saw, is, how do you take the bottom off, and then can you replace the handle on it? So let me answer all those for you, but let me put it together first so you can see just how easy that goes together. That took literally like 2 seconds. So it's a foldable cane, but you can put it together whenever you need it as fast as possible. Look at the handle on that. I love the handle on it. It's super comfortable, easy. Got a little, this is like a soft rubber too, so it's not like a hard plastic, so you're gonna be able to grip it and keep your grip on it. But the first question being is, how tall is it? So the maximum height of this cane is gonna be 37 inches, with the lower height gonna be 32 inches. So just kind of make sure you measure that out if you are curious about it before you buy it. The second question is, what is the maximum weight for this cane? It's gonna be 250 pounds as a maximum weight capacity for this cane. And the final question was, I saw, can you remove the handle on it? Nope, you can't remove the handle. Handle's there to stay. But the bottom, you can remove the bottom of it. So if you gotta take the bottom off or replace it, that definitely can be done. So overall, great cane, great bang for your buck. If you need something to get the job done that's gonna be comfortable on your hands, this handle is gonna be where it's at. If you get the cane, enjoy it.